I'm Rob Hill, CEO at Autogroup, and there's a few things I'd like to show you today. Come for a walk and I'll show you a part of our factory and how we go about converting American muscle cars, SUVs and pickup trucks from left-hand drive to right-hand drive. Come on. Now, for 30 years, we've not allowed cameras inside of our facility, protecting our intellectual property, keeping everything that we do a secret, but you're about to see some pretty cool things. So, come on. Now, we've got a team of around 170 people here in Sri Lanka. We've been here for 21 years. We've converted 4,500 vehicles, so we are the best in the world at what we do. There's a couple of pretty important things to remember though when converting vehicles from left-hand drive to right-hand drive. It is not an easy thing to do. We change over around 500 parts when we transfer a vehicle from left-hand drive to right-hand drive, and it takes my incredible team about 750 hours for every single conversion that we take. Come on, I want to show you something. So, our electrical team next door sitting here that you'll see as we walk through, these are the guys and girls that do all of our electrical loom remodeling, seats, airbags, all of those sorts of things, door switch panels. Come on. So as I said, we convert SUVs, pickup trucks, muscle cars, the Hummer, so the EV Hummer, first in the world to produce a right-hand drive version of a Hummer. And I'm sorry for the noise, but we're running full production. Boys are working here and you can hardly sort of see it, but this is a Lincoln Navigator, 24 Lincoln Navigator, which oddly enough is probably 2 weeks away from being in right-hand drive and rolling out the door. Come on though, I want to show you something pretty cool. This is only a small part of our factory. So at the moment we are converting all sorts of things. So you can see pickup trucks, so Ford F-250s, a whole bunch of them, GMC Sierra, the 2500, the 3500. One of my personal favorites, which is the Z01 Camaro. Stopped production in 2024, so this is one of the last brand new Camaros that will be out there. So again, within the next few days, this will be in right-hand drive. And fear not, he is alive under there. But what I want to show you, oh yeah, that'll be another Hummer. Oh, hang on, what's over there? That'd be another Hummer. Oh, and we're doing quite a few Hummers at the moment, obviously. But what I wanted to get to is that, you know, converting a vehicle from left-hand drive to right-hand drive is not an easy thing. It's not something that you do in your backyard. You don't do it in a shed in the middle of nowhere. It is a professional, well-planned process. So we spend, as I said before, 750 hours as we convert a vehicle, about 500 parts that we engineer, design, manufacture, and then put into the vehicles for each conversion. But the attention to detail is super critical. Now, this is our stores department, so this is where all of our components are stored. But come through here, and for me, the thing that I really wanted to show you guys today was our shadow board. And this for me really just sort of epitomizes our attention to detail and indeed our quality. So we're ISO 9000, 2015 quality certified. All of our vehicles are homologated or ADR compliant, so you can legally import them into any right-hand country in the world. Now that is not easy to achieve. We've got 30 odd engineers, we've got a whole dedicated team working on compliance, quality control, ISO, all of those elements. But the thing that to me personifies what we do is not necessarily the picture or the video of the final vehicle, the right-hand drive version, but it is this level of detail. The fact that every single component is controlled, measured, and knows where it goes. It goes into the right place. And ultimately, it's about ensuring that the vehicle that we convert from left-hand drive to right-hand drive is safe. That when you're driving it with your family in the vehicle, it is not going to injure you. So what you see broadly, and you'll see it in all of our videos, is a beautiful right-hand drive Hummer or a Camaro or a Dodge Challenger. But actually the thing to truly look for is the detail. Is the vehicle ISO 9001? Does the vehicle have, or has the vehicle been homologated? Is it ADR compliant? Because they're the things that will save your life. Anyway, enough for today. Thank you guys.